place. What an interesting guy.
For people that don't swim, if you're drowning, for people that swim, less so. For people that have some sort of psychiatric disorder, genuine psychiatric disorder, like obsessive compulsive disorder, which is not just personal.
You guys, I can't get over the random beauty of like, look at this. It's beautiful. I was just on my walk. I'm heading to Wiblingen, Abbey. I'm going to get on a bus. And I came across this gorgeous... Oh. Alright, I think I'm supposed to get on the 37 bus. Number 4 bus that gets here at 11:37. So, you guys, I just got off that bus. And now I'm walking towards the Abbey, I guess. Siri always does this to me. Always has me walking through somebody's backyard. So my directions are telling me to go past. I mean, I guess this is a street, but it also looks like people's backyards. And if you look out your back window, you'll see Maryjane vlogging herself. But this is the way it's telling me to go. Oh my goodness, all the flowers. Beautiful. You guys, check this out. This is maddening. This is absolutely maddening. I've never seen anything this beautiful. Never. Each story is like, you see that's Adam and Eve. You can see the devil right behind him in the corner. Snake. I don't know what that is. I need to get my Bible out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know, if you go to Paris or you go to London and all that, all the places that are so packed. Yeah, I've been to all of that. They're beautiful, but this is crazy that no one is here. And this is the most beautiful place I've ever seen, like as far as architecture. It's absolutely beautiful and no one's here. Like it's crazy. Like this, like there's so many little stories. Like I think this is the angel that weighs good and evil, although angels are only male, but you know, you still get the picture. Like there's so much to this. All the books are locked up, but it's just insane, like how beautiful this is, and nobody's here. I hope that you guys can come here from my videos and from my posts. That's part of my job, is to inspire you guys to check out the world, come see this beautiful world and its history. It's just insane. Go off the beaten path a little bit. Not that Germany is off the beaten path, but who comes to you know? Oh, just beautiful. And I can't believe I was so nervous that I wasn't gonna be able to get a good video from crowding, but come on. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Oh, I don't want to leave, but I'm going to. I'll quickly look. What do we got? These. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at this thing. Beautiful. Obviously, it's not important because we can touch it. I'm so sad to be leaving this place now. I got 2 million pictures, so I definitely don't need any more pictures. But I just can't get over it. Like, as a Christian, as somebody who, like, all this stuff is so meaningful to me. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there were people here taking pictures, like posing like this. I was like, I would never get in a picture with any of this. Like, it deserves its own. This is not the Eiffel Tower where you're just like, to me, take a picture of it, but don't be, come on now, that's disrespectful to the art, to the beauty. Like, come on, like even the ceiling, like look at this stuff, man. So anyways, I'm gonna go discover different parts of the Abbey, and I'm gonna go find some food and edit my Instagram video, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. My new Instagram, because my other one got deleted, at maryjanebyarm. No, that's the one that got deleted. Maryjane's World Tour. Was me posting a really cool reel over there, so go follow me. Guys, I'm sitting at a bus stop right now. about to go to a different country, and I'm sitting here editing my video. There's lots of people looking. Can I help you, sir? There's a lot of fresh older men in Germany, I'll tell you that. Really fresh. Because a few of them have said some things to me, and I'm like, I had to do a double take, like, did that really just come out of your mouth like this one? Just sitting and looking, just having a look at me. So anyways, I stay on my P's and Q's, know that, because some stuff has gone down, like in Germany. I'm not even joking with you, of stalking and inappropriate behavior. But that's not what I came on here to say. I'm very tired, by the way, if you can't tell. But I'm at a bus stop right now. You can see I'm here editing. I have a bus in 30 minutes, and I'm going to the next country. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, yeah, this vlog was kind of, I'm editing it right now, and I'm like, it's kind of jumpy, it's kind of all over the place. It's just me wandering around Ulm. I didn't really come here with any expectations, so I didn't really put a video together in my head like I usually do. So it's kind of random. There's people staring at me right now. But anyways, yeah, it's kind of random, and the next video will be more linear. And I'm so tired, you guys. Like, traveling like this is not easy. It really isn't, especially mentally. Why is he running like that? Especially mentally, just like the little stuff that goes on every day. It's not easy. It's not easy, especially as a solo traveler. I always have to have my guard up. Never know people's intentions. I've been stalked a few times here to my hotel room by them. Very, very bold men here in Germany. But anyways, I'm a little tired, to be honest. This life is it takes everything. It takes 100% of you, for sure, to just be traveling country to country to country like this and by yourself. Anyways, if you want to support my journey visiting every country in the world, I have 69 countries left. I'll have the link down below. You can sign up for my program where I'll send you a postcard every country I go to. The last 70 countries, not every country, but the last 70 countries I go to, you will get a postcard from me. I'll write it out for you and send it to you and thank you and bring you along with me on my journey. And it's like a way where you can support me and I can give something to you that's kind of cool and kind of unique. So I'll put the link down below if you want to donate to my every country in the world journey. It would mean the world to me if you did. It's not easy. Yeah, sure, it's not easy financially, but the mental is it. You gotta getting up. I get up early every single day. Every single day I get up early, around 5 or 6 a.m. I'm planning my day. I'm planning how I'm gonna get to the next country. I'm planning how long I'm gonna stay there. I'm moving place to place. I'm making sure no one's stalking me. I'm making sure I'm safe. I'm making sure I got all my stuff. I'm making sure everything's taken care of. Yeah, it's a lot. So just wanted to jump on here and just talk to you guys a little bit. I look crazy because I feel crazy. I'm so tired. I didn't even get a chance to do my hair. I missed the wash day, so that's why my hair looks like this. I was supposed to wash my hair 2 days ago and I did not. So I guess I'll wash my hair when I get to the next country and do it. And have to wash clothes as well. I have to find a laundromat or something. But yeah, I look how I feel. I'm exhausted, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for everything, for the support, for the love, for watching. I love you guys, and it feels good to know that I get to do this for people on the other side of the screen to enjoy, which is what I wanted, which is the life I wanted. I wanted to be some kind of creator, some kind of artist. So anyways, follow me on Instagram at Maryjane's World Tour. It's my new Instagram. And if you want to donate to my Every Country Journey, I'll link that down below. And I'll see you guys on